Hello everyone, welcome to come back my tutorial. So today I want to show you how to create the animation effect in the PowerPoint. In this video you can see the three motorcycles here with the red and blue and green one. Okay, there are different speed of the motorcycle animation here. So how to make it happen? So we start. Okay, here we will start a new file here, file and new with the blank presentations, and you can click in the home menu with the layout blank. Okay, we will start with the resource. I will open here with the web services like a free pick to find the background of the animation. You can click in the free pick the option like a free and factor based search. Okay, you can find with the keyword city background here and you can search it. Okay, perhaps you can click here and then you can download it. Make sure you have a free download here, and you can use the attribution with the copy and attribute for the personal and commercial use. Okay, I already download here. So the second object, I will using the flaticon.com to find the motorcycle with the keyword motorcycle. So will choose this one. Okay, you can click here and save by the SVG format here. So free download again. So here we have the image. Okay, let's start to the PowerPoint. First you can insert the picture that you download already. Okay, the first I want to insert the background here, so click the insert menu, picture, this device, note here. Okay, this is the JPEG image. Okay, you can insert it. Okay, look at this image first. If you have no same size the image with the slide, you see that this is here. When you scale it, okay, this is still different size. Okay, you can click by in the format. You can click in the format. Okay, in order you have the same size between the image and the slide, you can click the image, click the format menu and click the crop option here. Okay, you can choose the aspect ratio here and choose the landscape size with the 16:9 option here. See, so you can see that the crop area, so just click outside here and then you can scale it again to make sure the same size here. Okay, this is the first image, and the second image we will insert in the picture this device, and you can choose the scooter. Okay, insert it. Okay, this is scooter. I will scale it first. Okay, perhaps like this. Okay, you can click by scroll by pressing the Ctrl key and scroll it to make you can see the other area outside the slide. We will put here outside the slide, and we can flip this image with click the object and click the format. You can click rotate here with the flip horizontally. Okay, so we have the two images here, the background and the motorcycle, this one. Okay, now we will create and edit another motorcycle here. So this SVG format with the motorcycle, so I want to create two other motorcycles using by editing this image. Okay, we know that this image based on SVG format is the scalable vector graphics format. So okay, I will scale it first. Yeah, zoom it first, and then I will copy it by the click and drag with the hold the Control key here. Okay, or you can using the Control C and Control V, and with again with another. So we have 3 motorcycles here. So now we can change the color of motorcycle because this is a vector base. In the second motorcycle that you have copied, you can right click here and then you can ungroup here. Okay, this is the Microsoft warning how to convert the Microsoft Office drawing object. You can click yes, and you can see that the main image here, that's brick. That's no problem. So I just want to change the color, for example here. Okay, I will zoom it first. Okay, the red one, this color, I will change this shape here. Let's say with the blue one. Okay, blue and the light blue and the blue, they are dark blue. You can choose whatever you want here, and maybe here with the light blue, and here with the yes, and this one with the blue one. Okay, I want to change to the elements. Okay, you see that here, and now you can select again the image. Okay, you can create a group again. Before do this, you can see that in arrange, in the format arrange, you can see that in the selection pane there are many objects here when you convert to the image here. Okay, so I want to group it first, and then you can cut by pressing the Ctrl X. Okay, or you can right click here and cut here, and you can pressing by Ctrl Alt and V. You can see that spatial option panel here, and you can choose the picture SVG again. Okay, so if you see that in the selection pane, this is the back to the one shape here. Okay, here the image. So I want to choose the format and rotate and choose the flip horizontal again. Okay, and another one, I will the same thing like this one. So you can click the object here, right click here, you can group and ungroup it, and yes. Okay, when you ungroup the picture back to the original image, okay, by left side here before we flip again. Okay, you can change the red color here, for example with the green one, and this color with the rather dark green, and here to another green, and again to choose with the green. Okay, and the helmet too, we choose the green one. Okay, so again we select it again here, and then you can group it, and you can cut, and pressing Ctrl Alt plus V. Okay, you can choose again the picture SVG, and that's okay here. Okay, so I will flip again in the rotate here. So we have 3 objects here with the red, blue, and the green color of motorcycles. In the selection pane, you can change the name. Okay, this is by, you can make a city, for example, and this is the, you can choose red moto this is the blue moto, and then the green moto. Okay, and we will make the same position here. Okay, if you see that, you can hide and show how this picture is different. Okay, the red moto here, red moto, and blue moto, and then green moto. Okay, in this case I will show all. Okay, and then you can click scroll and control again to see the other area outside this slide. Okay, and now you can choose, select here the 3 motorcycles. Okay, indicates with the all motorcycles selected in the selection pane. And then now you can choose the animation here and choose the other animation here. You can choose more option path here, and then choose the line curve here with the option right here. Right, meaning start with the left and stop to the right. Okay, you can click OK, and make sure you can choose the even of animation with previous, and duration you can change perhaps 7. Okay, and for the animation you can see that the green with the start point and the red one at the end point. You can click the red one here, and you can click and drag the position outside the right area outside the slide. Okay, here, and again here, and again, because the 3 motorcycles here. Okay, now we just click the animation pane and see the animation pane here. You can play again here. Okay, because we have still same image and same animation, so this will look like one motorcycle. Okay, so we'll see the animation effect here. Okay, the first I will select all in animation pane. Okay, I will close first here. All animation effect here by clicking the shift key here. Okay, and then click here, and you can choose effect option here. Okay, in the animation option panel we will choose all normal choosing, so smooth start and smooth start with the first position here. Okay, 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 and in the red motorcycle, this is normal, this is the now animation, and the blue one, so double click here, or you can click here epic option, the same option, double click here, and I want to change the smooth start optimally here, the blue one moto. Okay, and the green, double click again with the smooth and moto. Okay, now we see the play the animation here. So you look at the 3 different speed of motorcycles. When the red one is no accelerations of animations, so normal speed. So the blue one with the start smooth start, sorry, here you can check here with the smooth start, and the green one is with the smooth end. So start again. Okay, smooth start and smooth end. Okay, now I will select all the motorcycle here, and I will add the effect, the shadow effect with the format. In the menu format you can choose the graphic style, and shadow here you can choose this one. Okay, the perspective upper left. Okay, And now we see that the result in the slideshow here. Okay, if you want to change the position of the motorcycle, you can selection like this, and you can make it little bit up here and try again. Okay, this is only one animation, still not looping. We can add the looping animation here by clicking in animation pane, all animation object here, and then click here and choose the timing here. In the timing panel option, you can choose in the repeat by clicking until end of slide here. Okay, this will repeat animations as long as the slideshow. And we try again here. Okay, green, red, and blue. Okay, and you see that looping animations again and again with the timing until the end of slide. So maybe we'll make it a contrast between the background and the motorcycle. You can click the background here, click the format menu. In the color, you can choose the saturation option here to create more darker image here, so the motorcycle will look more contrast. Okay, for example, this saturation 66% here. Okay, you can play again here. Okay, alright, so this is the results. So that's very easy, isn't it? So have a nice try, and see you again with another tutorial. Thank you.